Hey, what's up guys, this is Super CY1 for a box break of a 2011 and 12 Panini Contenders hockey. Box break number 174. This was the last auction team on eBay with the Jets. You can see here that the auction ended on October 14, 2012 at 10:11 p.m. Winner of this team, Phoenix M 2006. And here's the list of the people that are in this break with their eBay ID right next to the team or teams they bought, right down to the Jets. Here's the box. Just want to show you guys that the box sealed and serial number, which is matching the auctions, of course. 819448893. So there we go. Luck. I'm gonna put the link to my website down below. Just go register if you have a chance. We have group breaks going on right now. It's 18 cards per pack, 5 cards. It's 18 packs per box and 5 cards per pack. There it is. Good luck. Hopefully we'll pull a patch. That'll be fun. I'm gonna put those away. First hit, Cup Contenders for the Bruins out of 9.99 of Nathan Orton. Seems to be all base. There is not a guaranteed hit per pack. David Olstrom out of 9.99 for the Islanders. Calder Contenders. Base. Base. Okay. There we go, first auto, number 800 for Phoenix, David Runblad. Cup Contenders for the Washington Capitals, 9.99, Alexander Semin. Base. Second auto for the Flames, Curtis Glencross. That's a weird auto. Good player though. Base. Base. Should have at least 3 hits, 3 autos, at least. So we're still missing 1 auto. Maybe we could be lucky and get 4 auto. or patch. Color Contenders, $9.99 of Maxim Massanauer. 9. I don't know why. There we go. Base. 2 packs left. This one feels thick, so hopefully it's a patch. I think no, it's not even a patch. No, it's a redemption. Nice. Cup Contenders auto patch, Pavel Datsyuk. Nice. That's a nice one to get. Pavel Datsyuk for Detroit. And we finish off with a base pack. So thanks guys for watching. See you guys next time.